How to set up easily for Venmo business account or business profile here on your Venmo application or website. For this, I'm going to simply show you some of the steps from official Venmo website that how you can exactly do it, as the application is not available right now in my country. So I'm going to show you the exact step how you can do it. So sign up for a business profile in the Venmo application. Tap on the plus create a business profile option in the drop down near the top of your screen. On the Me tab, you will be able to see it. You can also select the setting here and tap create business profile to get started. Now sign up for a business profile on the web. This is for the website. The previous one was for application. You just have to sign into your account using the website I'm showing you on the screen. Select create a business profile from the menu and follow the prompts there. Once your business profile is created, you can manage the profile and customize your setting from the Venmo application itself. Now I'm going to show you that how you can simply set up a business account. Now choose the business option and then click on get started. Enter your mobile number and tap send code. You just have to verify your phone number to the Venmo server. After verifying your phone number, enter your legal name and the email and password you want to use on Venmo here. Now then review our legal terms and condition, Venmo's terms and condition, and then tap on agree. In the phone verification process is successful, your Venmo account will be created. Your phone number must be successfully verified for the Venmo account to be successfully created. This is how you can do it exactly, and then you can set up your business as you want. Thank you so much for watching this video.